Marhaba, little genies. I am Magic Carpet Mira. Are you ready to fly? Let's start with the magic rise. Stand tall, reach your hands to the stars, and lift your heels up. Imagine a magical thread is pulling you higher and higher into the clouds. Breathe in the sweet scent of jasmine. You are light, you are tall, and you are ready for adventure. Jump your feet wide and stretch your arms out. You are now a flying carpet gliding over the golden dunes. Keep your wings, your arms, perfectly flat. Feel the wind on your face as we zoom past the palace towers. Stay strong in your legs. A magic carpet never wobbles. You are graceful, you are steady, and you are soaring. Look at the night sky. You are the brightest golden star in the desert. Spread your arms and legs as wide as you can. Shine your light from your heart to every corner of the world. Take a big, deep breath. Feel your magic growing bigger with every second. You are brilliant, you are special, and you are shining. Can you stay as still as a magic lamp? Balance on one leg for the balance lamp. Bring your hands together over your head like a flickering golden flame. If the desert wind blows, just root your foot deep into the sand. Focus your eyes on one sparkling gem in front of you. Stay steady, stay magical. Reach down and lift your hips high. You are the beautiful desert moon shining over the valley. Push your hands into the ground and stretch your back long. Can you see the camels walking far away? Breathe deep and feel the cool night air. You are the strongest arch in the whole kingdom. Now, let's twist and turn like a genie coming out of a lamp. Sit down and try the genie's twist. Twist your body and look behind you. Did you see a hidden treasure? Try the other side. This pose makes your spine as flexible as a silk ribbon. Breathe in deep and exhale as you twist. You are magical, you are curious, and you are flexible. A genie, needs a strong tummy. Hold your body straight and strong like a sand dune. Don't let your hips sink into the sand. Push the floor away and breathe. Imagine you are the foundation of a great golden palace. You are solid, you are powerful, and you are unshakable. Hold it right there. Now, let's rise up like a golden snake from a basket. Lay on your tummy and push your chest up for the floating cobra. Look up at the beautiful patterns on the ceiling. Feel the stretch in your back. It feels like you're starting to levitate. Take a deep, magical breath. You are graceful, you are brave, and you are rising. Target locked. We need to aim for the farthest star. Step into a lunge and pull back your magical bow. You are the flying archer. Steady your legs and aim high. What is your wish today? Focus on it and let your magic arrow fly. You are precise, you are determined, and you are a hero. Stay steady in your lunge. Come onto your hands and knees. Your back is now a magic table where the king keeps his golden lamp. Don't let it slide off. Keep your back flat and your arms strong. Breathe in and feel the balance in your whole body. support for the entire kingdom. Stay still, stay flat. We are so high up in the sky. Lift one leg and fly like the soaring eagle. Balance is your secret power here. Reach your arms out wide. You are catching the warm desert breeze. Don't look down, just focus on the horizon. You are light, you are steady, and you are free. Breathe in the magic. Look, we found it. Lay on your back and lift your hips high to become the treasure chest. Your heart is the most precious jewel inside. Keep the chest open and strong. Imagine it's filled with kindness and courage. Press your feet down and lift even higher. You are valuable, you are strong, and you are full of light. Incoming palace guards. Hide. Tuck yourself into a tiny ball for the magic pebble. Hug your knees tight and stay very, very still. If you don't move, you look just like a decorative gem on the floor. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel your back relaxing against the magic carpet. You are safe, you are hidden, and you are calm. The night is here. Stand tall and reach for the sky, then lean to one side like a silver crescent moon. Feel the stretch all along your side. It's like you're bending the stars. Now try the other side. You are graceful, you are flexible, and you are glowing. Keep your feet rooted like a palm tree while your top reaches for the galaxy. Slowly sit down and touch your feet. This is the folding silk. Just like an ancient map or a piece of silk cloth folds, you also lean forward. Give your muscles a lovely thank you stretch. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, become completely soft. Your body is now light as air. Now, become a resting camel. Sit on your knees and lean forward. Rest your forehead gently on the ground. Imagine that after a very long journey, you are resting in a cool oasis. Take a slow, magical breath. All your tiredness is fading away now. And finally, we rest as the sleeping legend. Lay on your back and lift your legs up high. You are a floating lantern drifting into the night sky. Everything is completely peaceful. Feel all the magic flowing from your legs down to your heart. Stay very, very still, just like you are floating in the sky. Close your eyes and enjoy the magic. And finally, we rest as the sleeping legend. Lay completely flat and still. Your journey is complete. Your magic will now stay inside you forever. Close your eyes, listen to the soft music of the desert. You are powerful, you are balanced, and you are peaceful. Relax and let your dreams fly high.